While the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 series may still seem like a fresh new wearable, we're likely already halfway to the next iteration. Sure, rumors about a Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 have been sparse so far. However, there's no doubt in our minds that the current Wear OS juggernaut has a follow-up on the way. Samsung is thought to be putting the finishing touches to the latest iteration of its flagship smartwatch. Here's everything so far about what the Korean giant might be planning with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. We haven't had any official confirmation about the technical specifications of the Galaxy Watch 6, but a few rumors have already pointed to what we might see in August. Well, it might not sound like much, but tech leaker Ice Universe posted recently on Twitter that the Watch 6 will have a larger display, including improved resolution. The current screen size of the Galaxy Watch 5 is 1.4 inches, so we're talking a 0.7 inches increase. Of course, it's all a matter of scale, and with the tiny panels on smartwatches, those small increments can be more significant than you might think. You won't be watching Hollywood blockbusters on your wrist, but navigating the interface may be a bit nicer with that little extra space and improved resolution. Ice Universe also reported that the new watch could feature a curved glass display and slimmed-down bezels, possibly taking it into the design realm of the Pixel Watch. Meanwhile, Galaxy Club has reported that the batteries in the Watch 6 will be slightly larger capacities than in their predecessors. In the leaked images it found, the 40mm watch looks like it will increase from 284 to 300, while the 44mm variant will move from 410 to 425 mAh battery capacity. How this will affect the amount of time you can use the watch before it powers down remains to be seen, but any improvement in battery length for smartwatches is always welcome. Not to be left out, the processor department is about to get some love, according to a report by Sammobile. The site states that the Exynos W920 chip that has powered the Galaxy Watch 4 and 5 series will be upgraded to an Exynos W980 in the Galaxy Watch 6, bringing with it up to 10% improvement in performance plus more powerful health tracking features. One thing we know is that Samsung is working to improve the software side of the Watch 6, and we sort of know what to expect thanks to a public beta of the upcoming One UI 5 watch update, which is likely to launch alongside the new hardware. The key changes which we know so far include improved sleep tracking with a more prominent sleep score, personalized heart rate zones for exercise as opposed to the standard age-based ones used now, an extension of the route workout mode to cover running and walking, and an updated emergency SOS mode that can now contact emergency services, not just your pre-selected emergency contact. It's likely that Samsung will also be tweaking the watch's tracking hardware, of course, but it's good to know that there are definitely some upgrades on the way, even if they'll also be rolling out to existing Watch 4 and Watch 5 owners. Meanwhile, investigating the battery improvements, the codenames and capacities are discovered seems to point towards the potential return of the Watch Classic model last seen with the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. This was a more refined design which featured traditional watch styling and a physical rotating bezel. When the Watch 5 series launched, this was dropped in favor of a Pro model aimed at outdoors activities and boasting tougher construction, a larger display, and a huge battery. Now at least it looks like Samsung is intending to return to the Watch 4 lineup. This could of course be smoke and mirrors or the simple fact that the battery for the Watch 6 Pro hasn't been spotted yet. So, what are your expectations from upcoming Galaxy Watch lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.